How to make good house in very low budget. Owning a house is everyone's dream, but it is very necessary to make a lot of sacrifices and live in financial scarcity, living a cash-strapped existence. Well, the answer is resounding no. It might surprise you, but it is perfectly possible to make a good house in a low budget. The concept of affordable housing is something that people who aren't aware of it might frown upon, but once they get to know what it is, they understand that affordability depends on a lot of things, and it's not necessarily the degradation of quality that results in lowered prices. The biggest fear that people have is that if there is something available in the market for lower prices, then it must be because of the quality has been reduced. But this is not at all the cases. In this article, we'll tell you how houses are made in a low budget. The technique used in low budget houses is very different to that used in normal construction. Using a standard square frame structural would save a lot of money in the steel required, which would result in saving of money. Having standard design saves a lot of money, since the design calculation involved and made are done once and repeated. Since the procedure is the same, the speed of construction is also good. Another trick to low-budget houses is the use of local materials. As one reduces the use of exported materials, the cost automatically reduces. If you're procuring your materials from nearby locations, then your cost of the project would reduce tremendously. In order to achieve this, proper resource mapping has to be done. This way, the project won't be delayed, even when you're facing government bans on material being transported, etc. Invest in machinery. This would prevent a lot of labor cost. The more mechanized construction gets and depends less on labor, the more profitable it would be. The labor costs have gone up a lot, and the availability of labor has reduced, which leads to delays. Thus, investing in machinery as much as possible would prevent labor problem in the future. Use green building design philosophy. One needs to dismiss the idea of green building as a product and rather as a process. When one employs green building design philosophy, the process would involve choosing techniques and materials which are environmental friendly and economical. Using green energy would be beneficial to environment and would be also economical. Use fly ash blocks instead of bricks. The blocks are good for environment and also very economical. As the size is bigger, the work gets done a lot faster, quicker. The requirement of plastering is negligent. Thus, finishing is also faster. That makes these blocks very economical. Use prefabricated structure. This saves a lot of time, money, and resources. When compared to in situ construction, the accuracy is also more. The project is completed in unprecedented speed. A lot of time being saved results in money being saved. The labor required is also less. There is less hassle involved and lesser supervision. Therefore, this is very economical option.